In this experiment, I'm studying the flow pattern of a river. There are many variables that alter the flow of the river, such as rocks, leaves, and logs, but we're just going to observe the natural flow of the river. I'm using ping pong balls as markers to try to observe how the water flows through the river. I try to release the ping pong balls uniformly. This is the ping pong ball I used for this experiment. The ping pong balls start at a lower velocity water. As the width of the water decreases, the velocity increases. You can observe that in this video. You can tell that the ping pong balls are increasing in velocity, and they tend to stay in the middle of the stream, or not. They do not touch the boundary, the outside boundary of the moving stream. The ping pong balls are separating, which some variables do, like the rocks, might cause this, but some of it is the flow of the water. As the river widens, the velocity of the ping pong balls and the water decreases. This time, some ping pong balls were released in the left fork and some were released in the right fork. I'm trying to observe how the ping pong balls meet in the very end. As you can see, they're kind of hard to spot, but the white specks are coming together right now, and you can see the flow coming together into one pattern at the very end. This is the second scenario in my experiment. I release the balls in a mouth of the river. As the width of the water decreases, the velocity increases. As you can see right here, a natural boundary influences the flow of the water. The ping pong balls continue to move down to a fork. The ping pong balls approach a natural fork in the river. I'm trying to observe if some move to the left or all move to the right. And as you can see, one moves to the left. Here the ping pong balls are moving from a higher velocity water to a lower velocity water. You can observe some turbulence occurring as they enter the lower velocity water. You can see that some ping pong balls remain in the same place and some move backwards. In conclusion, please observe the flow pattern of water in this river. Flow patterns differ in body of water to body of water due to a number of factors, but I wanted to observe the flow pattern in this river. Hopefully, it is applicable to general cases.